Hello, friends. I promised to do an update about the Chakra Sisters box. If you watch the channel, you know that I ordered a stocking that was stuffed with goodies that I loved. And then I ordered the Advent. It's not really Advent. It's a 12 Days of Christmas or 12 Days of Holidays box. And it was great, but it came with 11 things. There wasn't a 12th day. So I wasn't sure if I thought it was worth it or not, because with the 11 things, it was kind of worth it, but I wasn't sure that it was worth its price tag of $55, but I wanted to get the review out because if you wanted to buy it so that you'd have it in time to do the 12 days of Christmas, you'd have it. Well, they sent me a replacement, and so I'm going to unbox that with you now, and we'll find out, does the 12th gift make it worth it? So let's get started. So I did open the box because it was very well taped. I have to say their shipping is excellent. Nothing's going to break. So there's a card. So I'm going to read the card. Oh, it's a cute little card. It's got a little mouse on it. A little star. And it says, "Hello, Beth. Thank you for your patience. I apologize for the missing items. I placed an extra gift in your favorite color with no glitter." I love these people. They pay attention. Thank you. And it's from Chakra Sisters. And the card itself says, "May the season bring you the gifts of peace, hope, and joy." And those are gifts indeed. So that's a very cute card, very nice personalized message. And it means they watched the video because that's how they would know it was my favorite color. So what is in this box? So I won't open the special gift first. I'm going to look for the 12th gift. All right, here's the 12th gift. It's got a little 1-2 on it. Oh, hold on tight. Move some things around. Oh, it's got feathers. I love feathers. My cats also love feathers. So notice I have dream catchers all over my house, and I have to hang them high. I'm not near anything that has like a place where a cat can go, because I'm like, oh, this is cool. All right, so I can already tell that this makes this box worth it, because this is legit cool. It comes with this little salt things. And, oh, it's a moon dreamcatcher and feathers. All right. This totally makes this box worth it. All right, everybody go and buy the Chakra Sisters 12 Days of Christmas thing. It's a little stuck together, but that's from shipping. So I will use my extreme patience to untie it and unconnect it. But there's probably no other way to ship it, so I'm always terrible at that's why I wear the same necklaces all the time, so I don't have to untangle them. I have 4 million necklaces, but I wear the same 2. I alternate the Tree of Life with an Appalachian Trail, one that I hike in. But seeing as it's winter, I'm not hiking. So this is really cool. So it's got like a chain that you can hang it from. It's got a little star. It's got all these little feathers. Oh, my cat is expressing interest already. Ho, that is legit cool. And it's got the colors of the chakra. How clever, Chakra Sisters. And this is super cool. I'm going to have to hang this sucker high, though. My cats are going to be like, oh, it's lunch. So, oh, that is so beautiful. So, this is definitely worth, like, this is the 12th day gift, so definitely worth the box. That is super cool. I have a few, this isn't necessarily a dream catcher because the dream catcher is round, but I have a few of these that I have all over different doors, made of all kinds of different things. So, I know that they're not inexpensive. So that is super cool. I cannot wait to find out where I'm going to hang that. Don't know where I'm hanging that. So, that was the 12 Days of Christmas gift, and I will now say that I've opened that it is definitely worth it. So I'll put the link below. Definitely go get it. You have time to get it in time for the 12 Days of Christmas. There's 2 different ways to look at the 12 Days of Christmas. Some say it starts on the solstice, which in my tradition is called Alban Arthan, bringer of light. That is actually the 21st of December, so you start at that day and go 12 days. And then others start the 12 Days of Christmas on Christmas, and it goes to Epiphany. So you can do it either way, but you have time if you buy it right now to get it, because they ship super fast. So the extra gifts are, they sent me another stocking, another matched stocking. Oh, I have the other one too. And it is my favorite color. Oh, I love these stockings. These stockings are so pretty. Like, really. Like, they're worth it. And then it also, like, this one's empty. The other one I had was full. Both are totally worth it. But there's something else in this box. Oh, it's another, probably a bath bomb. I love the way they package their bath bombs. Like, when you buy them, I got bath bombs in both the 12 days box and also in my stocking. But I also ordered a bath bomb. And I have to say, I used the Goddess Bomb last night. I wasn't crazy about the smell of it when I was holding it and sniffing it, but it did smell delightful in the bathtub. And it was very nice. It was a lovely bath. So if you do ritual baths, my baths, I take a bath every day. I take a shower every morning. I have a jacuzzi tub. I take one of those every night. And I think about pipe music, and I think about all kinds of stuff. So let's check this out. This is, or maybe it's not a bath bomb. I like their little boxes. Oh, I don't know what this is. I assumed it was a bath bomb, but I might be wrong. Oh, it's a candle. And it doesn't have glitter in it. Oh, look at that cool candle without the glitter. Oh, and it smells really good. Oh, I could eat it with a fork. It smells so good. Oh, that smells good. And it's in my favorite color. That is so amazing. And it has this little tin. I love it. I love it, Chakra Sisters. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have to say that customer service was fantastic. I emailed them right away about the 12th gift, so they responded within 12 hours. So, and they had something out the door to me, and they were just really, obviously very generous. And I've heard that and read that in other reviews that I've seen, and unboxings. Like they have really good customer service, and so I'm absolutely going to buy stuff from them again, and I hope you will too. So, wishing you all the best of light and love, and I will see you later.